Get it. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. Jack, come on. You need to be part of the video. Right here. Right here. Get in the video. I need you to be part of it. Come on. Right here. Right here, look. Right here. Hey guys, it's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Easter, everyone. Well, almost. If you're watching this, it is a couple days before Easter. And this year's Easter is a little bit different, and I'm very sad about it actually, because I love Easter and I do celebrate Easter. It's one of my favorite holidays. And I'm just sad that I'm not able to go to church this year and be with my family and celebrate. But I will be here at home, I guess, like everyone else, because everyone is quarantined right now. So it really stinks. But if we are saving lives, then that is what matters. So everyone stay home. Today, Jack and I are going to show you guys how to make this adorable Easter hat. And I know I'm not going to be able to wear it out unless I want to go to the grocery store or something, which I might, you know, don't put it past me. So anyways, I've had this tutorial planned for a long time, so I wanted to go ahead and just do it. And my birthday is April 13th, so it's in a few days. And so I thought I could make a birthday / Easter hat. I mean, this could be a birthday hat, right? It's a really easy tutorial. It did take me a few hours to make, but between all the filming and taking breaks and stuff, it takes me a little bit. But it is fairly simple. I did sew a little bit of it, so it is not a no-sew tutorial. Most of the stuff is from Dollar Tree. Shocker, right? Because all my videos are Dollar Tree DIYs. I should just start a Dollar Tree DIY channel. I love the Dollar Tree. I enjoy going to the dollar store to find things that I can create into more beautiful things. So it's just really fun for me. Everything is from Dollar Tree except for the fabric, of course. This part right here ties. Let me show you guys what it looks like. And guys, with this hat, you know, get crazy with it. Be creative. Do what you want. You know, I just wanted to make mine look like this. It looks like an old lady hat, I know, but I freaking love it. I've also got a bow right here on the side, and the bow does not look that pretty, y'all. I am not good at tying bows, especially with this fabric. The fabric was $6.99 with free shipping, and I will link it below the seller that I got it from. I got it from Etsy, and they sell really cheap fabric. Now, the only problem with it is it's cheap fabric. So if you're going to use it, you may just want to use it for things like this. And this fabric was actually great because it was very stiff. It wasn't as soft as I would like it to be, but it was so much easier to work with. They have all kinds of different colors, y'all, so get creative with it. And if you guys make this, I really want to see your creation, so let me know. Follow me on Instagram, send me a picture of it, I want to see. Anyways, and the hat was from Dollar Tree, so that's $1, and then the flowers I got from there, so that was $3. So you're looking at about $11, but if you add in the glue, you know, maybe like $15, if that. I mean, if you already have glue at home, you can use probably any glue you want. I use fabric glue because it's what I have at the moment, and that tacky glue does not work very good. And you can use hot glue too. I'm sure it'd be just fine for this. Jack is not going to be in most of the video today because he is exhausted, y'all. He's about to fall asleep in my arms right now. Oh, buddy. Oh, sheepy. So let's go ahead and get started. For this hat, I got 1 yard of material, which was more than enough. I got the hat from Dollar Tree. Then I got these gorgeous flowers from Dollar Tree. And then you'll also need fabric glue, and I use Fabrifix and fabric scissors. The first thing I'm doing is cutting out the strap for the hat, and it can be as wide or long as you need it to be. Now pin both right sides together. Now sew it together, but do not sew the ends. cut off any excess fabric. Turn the fabric inside out. Take your strap and fold it together and make sure they're both even, and then cut it at the top. Now that you have 2 straps, go ahead and pin it on the bottom of the hat. Okay, hold up. I forgot to mention one thing. For this part, I would actually recommend cutting it with pinking shears before you pin it on the hat. I only do it on this fabric because it's not going to fray. So go ahead and cut that first, and then you can pin it. I zoomed in on this part so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I hope you can tell what's going on here, but the fabric has a zigzag finish, and that's why those scissors are so great, because it's going to help the fabric to not fray as much or to not fray at all. Now take the ends of your straps, fold it on the inside, pin it together, and sew it. Don't forget to backstitch on the hat and on the straps as well. Now the straps are done on the hat. Woo! Okay, time to move on. The first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this cheap looking bow on this hat because I do not like it, and we are going to replace it with the same fabric that we just used for the straps. Cut out your fabric for the top of the hat. Pin your fabric together. Sew it together except for the ends. Turn it inside out, and then you'll do the same thing you did with the straps on the hat. You'll just flip the fabric inside, pin it together, and sew it. Now take your fabric and wrap it around the hat and tie a bow or whatever you want. And this took me a few minutes because it was not wanting to stay, so you can glue yours on if you want, but I just messed with it a little bit and finally got it to stay. Now it's time to move on to the flowers, and all I'm doing right now is just taking them off one by one. Now I'm just taking my fabric glue and I'm going to go ahead and glue this ribbon on the hat, and then I will glue my flowers on. This part can be a little tricky, so make sure you're not using your fabric scissors and make sure you cut the entire stem off. Put your glue on the back of the flower and then place it on the hat. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, here is the finished product. And I am so happy with it. I love it. It's very Eastery, very spring looking, and it just makes me happy because of all the craziness that's going on in the world. This is just such a fun and relaxing project. So if you guys are just looking for a way to be creative and not spend a lot of money and just make something happy during this time, seriously, make this hat because I feel so much better already with all the cute little flowers on it. And oh, I just love the colors. I love the pink and the yellow and the white. I would love to see guys make one of these and your creation, so please send it to me on Instagram. My Instagram is Made by Mackenzie, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like it, comment, let me know what you thought about it, and Jack and I will see you in our next video.